Welcome to White House Fruit Farm. We're here in the apple orchard in the winter time. It's just starting to warm up a little bit, and we wanted to talk with David, who is our family farmer here, on what we do with our apple trees in the off season. Every one of our trees is visited and manicured, and I'm going to let David speak a little bit to what he's doing here in the trees.
Well, yes, we're going to use the word manicure loosely, aren't we? Wintertime is late winter, early spring is a good time to do pruning. And it's because there's no leaves on the tree, you can see what you're doing, and you have some time. There's fruit buds on the tree, and there's also, so this is a fruit bud, and there's also leaf buds, which would be on the length of this. All you're looking to do with winter pruning is a thinning process. Different varieties have different growth habits, so this happens to be a yellow delicious tree. If you have another kind of apple tree, it may not look exactly like this. So pruning is more of a general process where you're doing a lot of thinning, as opposed to shearing like you would do on a Christmas tree. So you want to thin parallel limbs. If you have two limbs, you have limbs crossing, remove one of the crossing ones. If limbs are running parallel to each other, remove one of the parallel ones. And it's a thinning process to allow air movement inside of the tree.
And why is it important for us to have air movement in the tree?
Well, thinning promotes good sunlight penetration inside the tree, which gives you more colorful and flavorful apples. And air movement reduces disease pressure, so there's less disease inside the tree in the summer, in the humidity of the summer.
And you do this to every single tree that we have here on the farm?
We like to get to every tree every year. If not every year, at least every other year.
Quite a process, quite a process. And so in April, generally every year, we have a pruning clinic here in partnership with the Ohio State Extension. And we'll be hosting that again this year. So if you want to check out our website, you'll see the information for that there. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you on the farm.